court agreed with us that he should be detained pending his trial because he's such a danger to the community and such a high risk of willful flight to avoid prosecution.
It's talking about the man charged with shooting and beating a state trooper in Springfield. He'll be held in the Sangamon County Jail pre-trial. 37-year-old Cristobal Santana is facing 5 charges, including 2 of attempted first-degree murder. Good evening, I'm Brendan Morano.
And I'm Karina Rubio in for Jennifer. Santana made his first appearance in court virtually today. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Cole Hankey is live at the Sangamon County Courthouse. Now, Cole, you were inside that courtroom. What happened?
Well, today, Sangamon County State's Attorney Dan Wright laid out new information about what authorities say happened on Tuesday night, and a courtroom full of ISP troopers and members of Dakotah Chapman-Green's family were there to hear it. 2 charges of attempted first-degree murder, 1 charge of aggravated battery with a firearm, 1 charge of aggravated battery to a peace officer, and 1 charge of aggravated unlawful use of a weapon. Those are the charges that 37-year-old Cristobal Santana is facing after he was arrested for shooting and beating Illinois State Police Trooper Dakotah Chapman-Green in Springfield Tuesday night.
Based upon the evidence that we presented in court today, or proffered to the court did make those findings and detained the defendant pre-trial.
Santana appeared in court Friday over Zoom from a hospital bed. He listened as Sangamon County State's Attorney Dan Wright laid out the charges, saying that when Chapman-Green approached him, Santana opened fire, shooting more than 10 shots and striking Chapman-Green multiple times. That was enough to net the first attempted murder charge. But then Wright told the judge that Santana proceeded to hit Chapman-Green multiple times in the face with his handgun, causing multiple facial fractures and brain bleeds. Wright says he has the video to back all of these allegations up.
The proffer that I presented to the court today included that the alleged actions are depicted on video, in-camera video, and also security video from a nearby location. And also the evidence indicates that the defendant fled the scene.
State police said that Santana was believed to be wanted in a Chicago homicide. The family of 37-year-old Adriana Lopez believes Santana is responsible for her death. Lopez was shot and killed near her home on Sunday night. The family says Santana was Lopez's ex-boyfriend. Chicago police have not confirmed if Santana is a suspect or not. Santana will report to the Sangamon County Jail when he is released from the hospital, and Wright would not say if he could be moved pending any charges coming down in Cook County.
I can't comment on what may happen in Cook County, and I don't want to speculate. I do know that we have filed charges in Sangamon County, and the court agreed with us that he should be detained pending his trial.
Now, Santana is due back in court on November 9th for a preliminary hearing. He pled not guilty to the charges today, and I reached out to the public defender's office who is representing Santana in this case, but we have not heard back from them yet. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Hankey, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Cole, thank you.